For effective theft deterrence and reliable documentation, place temporary construction cameras to cover primary entrances and stored materials immediately. Place cameras on temporary poles or sturdy structures at a height of 6 to 10 feet so they capture faces and license plates while avoiding ground-level damage. Aim cameras with a slight downward tilt to reduce sky washout and use wide dynamic range settings to handle sunlight and shadows on the same scene. If on-site Wi-Fi is unreliable or unavailable, use cellular-enabled cameras with a data plan and configure them for event-based uploads to save bandwidth. Power options matter. Choose battery packs with low temperature ratings for cold sites and bring solar trickle chargers for long-term deployments to reduce manual battery swaps. Protect cameras with lock boxes or tamper plates and secure mounts with tamper-resistant hardware and steel straps around poles or scaffolding. Rotate camera locations periodically as materials are moved so blind spots do not open up, and keep a simple site map with timestamps to log camera position changes. Common mistakes start with placing cameras too low or facing directly into bright sky, which yields unusable silhouettes, so raise the mount and reframe the shot slightly downward to capture detail. Another frequent issue is assuming constant power or network access, which causes gaps in evidence, so choose battery or cellular units and set local recording as a fallback. A third problem is leaving cameras unsecured and easy to steal or tamper with, so use lockboxes, steel straps, and conceal cabling, and where possible aim cameras from a distance to make them harder to access. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools to post projects and review responses that relate directly to secure temporary camera installation. We also host a discussion community where users share real-world tips and photos so our members can learn what works on similar renovation sites.